Let us finally make concept of oxidation clear with doing an experiment called invisible ink. For this, we need a blank sheet, candle, matchbox, earbud, and lemon juice. Let's get started. Let me write a secret message.
Me too!
Bunny, let's wear our safety glasses.
Yes.
On it. Now, we'll have to light the candle. I'll have to be careful. Now, Bunny, are you excited for this secret message?
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay. So now, let's write the secret message. But first, we'll have to let it dry. So, when we'll burn it, so it can be clearly visible. Now let's burn it. Oh, now it's getting a little bit brown. Let me tell you. But guess what have I written on my secret message? Guess it, guess it. You'll guess it until my message gets visible. Yay! I write Duddley. D. Now let's see Bunny. Bunny, be careful. You may burn this paper. Can I help you?
No, I'm excited for this.
Yeah. So now let's guess what has Bunny written?
I have written B.
Okay, let's see. I'll spy on Bunny. Let's see what has he written. You have written B.
Yes.
Now let me tell you an interesting fact. This strategy was used in World War and many other wars to write secret messages. This is Duddley and we do too. Oxidation!
You are a science star. Keep exploring. Keep asking why. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.
Stay tuned for the next experiment.